Different people have different wishes and desires, and yet, deep down, we all want the same things. These are our fundamental needs. The need for autonomy, being able to make your own life decisions, being able to express yourself in the way you want to express yourself. The need for relatedness, having meaningful relationships with people you care about. And we have many more of those fundamental needs. And they are extremely important for design, because in the end, every design is a means for need fulfillment. Whether it's a product, a service, a building, or a system, it doesn't matter. Good design is design that fulfills needs, whether it's individual needs or collective needs. Also, these needs drive our emotions. So when people are happy, when people have positive emotions, it's because some of their fundamental needs have been fulfilled. And when they're angry or sad, it's because some of their fundamental needs have been harmed. So also in relation to design, if you see people having emotions, it has a relationship with these underlying fundamental needs. And in the end, fundamental need fulfillment is also a great source for happiness and well-being. So, if you are inspired by understanding how design can fulfill fundamental human needs, how that then drives positive emotions and in the end contributes to human well-being and happiness, come and join the masterclass on design for fundamental needs.